Hello, Warwick Middle School, 8th grade students. This is Mr. Olshan, and today we are looking at the Latin roots, script, tract, and cept. Alright, the first Latin root we're going to look at here is script, which means to write, and a few examples of script that we're going to be looking at. First is the example transcript, which means a written or printed copy. The next example we're going to look at is scripture, which is passages of writing. And then we're going to look at the example prescribe, which is to authorize in writing. A few sentences with the word script. Number one, would you describe an elephant? And the second sentence using the Latin root script, the inscription on his tombstone was weathered and worn. Alright, the next Latin root we're going to look at is tract, which means to drag, pull, or draw. A few examples of tract. First one, contract, which means to decrease in size. The next is to subtract, which is to take away. The next example is attract, which is to draw near. And the final example is distract, which is to divert or to pull away. A few sentences using the Latin root tract. Farmer John pulls the plow with a powerful tractor. And the next sentence, did Romeo find Juliet very attractive? Yes. Yes, he did. The final Latin root we're looking at is cept, which means to take, seize, or receive. A few examples of the Latin root cept. First is intercept, which is to seize from between. Next example is exception, which means to take out. Next example is accept, which is to willingly receive. And the final example is perception, which is the ability to receive knowledge. A few sentences using the Latin root cept. First one, the dogs are black with the exception of the white one. And money gained through deception is worthy of jail time. Alright, let's review in the following exercise. Number 1, cept. Number 2, script. Number 3, tract. Take a moment, feel free to pause the video and write your answers down on the note card or piece of paper. And when you're ready, unpause and we will review. Alright, we're going to review the following exercise. If we take a look here, number 1, cept means to take, seize, or pull. Number 2, script, which means to write. Number 3, tract, which means to drag, pull, or drive. Feel free to go back and review any portions of the video if you'd like to review.